Not quite sure what that is. It is like sprinkling. I don't think it'll show up on the camera, but it's like the finest little mist. So crazy. I doubt it's gonna show up. That's gotta be a kid. Oh, I'm sure everybody loves that. That's really polite, buddy. Early in the morning, some kid screaming at the top of his lungs. Wow, everybody's got their dogs out. The rain quit, that's why. And I guess it's not supposed to rain until this afternoon, so as you can see, everybody's got their dogs out. Perfect. It's kind of a weird new thing I learned. We coordinate carefully to avoid each other. Like, I'll spend some time looking at the ducks, hanging out with River over here, because there's dogs 50 yards to my left and 50 yards behind me, and we're all waiting so that we can go where we want to go. Isn't that weird? I never thought about that before, but when you have dogs in an environment like this, like, you spend time avoiding people and situations just because you don't want to have to deal with, dogs meeting each other and all that. Don't get too close. Look, everybody's out walking their dogs. Go back to Canada. That was funny. Scared him. 25% tax on Canadians. They called their friends. Oh, that's too funny. All right. But yeah, you can see the sun's out. And now a big old gray cloud just came over and I felt the raindrop. And I'm on halfway across the whole park. Had to run and get a bag. I don't know, I was just talking about how you gotta avoid other dogs, you gotta avoid conflicts. And when it's early in the morning and you're not awake yet, I don't want to deal with that. Next thing you know, you're in an hour-long conversation with somebody about Yellowstone, yeah, and Grand Tetons. Sick of telling my story. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera on, keep on trucking, because I want to beat that if it does rain.